The USCCB holds no authority which supersedes the authority of any individual bishop as entrusted him by God when he was elevated to the office. Further, we know that no Episcopal conference, USCCB included, holds infallible teaching authority on the liturgical practices of the Church. And it logically stands to reason that just as the Arian bishops could not change the truth of God, no proclamation of the USCCB may legitimately refute, contradict, or replace any lawful prescribed practice promoted by the traditions and magisterium of the Catholic Church. Therefore, if any novel practice or teaching comes out of any Episcopal conference, the members of the mystical body of Christ who fall under their Episcopal authority have no obligation to believe without question that any such new proclamation, otherwise unheard of in church teaching or practice, is either binding or true, especially when it falls in direct contradiction to that which has been given us by the Church through the deposit of the faith over the past 1900 years. As evidence of this, we can look at the condemned Synod of Pistoia, which made many false proclamations condemning development of church dogmas, feasts of the saints, etc. This unified Episcopal Assembly of Florence was ultimately condemned by Pope Pius VI in 1794. We cannot say with full confidence that the practices prescribed by the USCCB, including Eucharistic ministers, communion in the hand, ad populum, etc., are completely in line with the teachings of the Church, especially when we have 1900 years of writings contradicting their opinions. Worse, if the officials of the Church, like those at Trent, have made official proclamations against such practices which have been prescribed by the USCCB, then at what point will the hammer of God fall unto us in retribution for ignoring the official position of God and His Church, in order to try replacing it with the personal opinions of men?